Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to analyze a Docker container's resource usage using the Docker stats command. So this command right here. So essentially this Docker stats command allows us to see a live stream of a container's resource usage statistics. So it returns information such as CPU usage, memory usage, input and output, things like that. And so actually this right here is, we'll learn about this flag, but this isn't creating a live stream. To create a live stream, we just run Docker stats as it is. And now we can see that all of this information is updating live. So that's why it's all flashing like this. But here's a summary of basically each field. So we have the container ID, which is the container ID. We have the container name, and we have CPU percentage, which is the percentage of the host's CPU that the container is using. Then we have our memory usage and limit, which is the amount of memory the container is using out of the total memory the container is allowed to use. So here's how much it's allowed to use on the right side and how much it's actually using on the left. Then we have memory percentage, which is the percentage of the host memory the container is using. We have net input output, which is the amount of data the container has received and sent over its network interface. And then we have block input output, which is the amount of data that the container has written to and read from block devices on the host. And then we have PIDs, which is all the way over here. And we can see we have 22, 6, 2, and 2. And PIDs is the number of processes or threads that the container has created. So let me close out of here now that we've gone over every field. And we can also get information on a specific container or containers by providing a list of the container names or IDs. So if, say I just wanted to get information on my server container, I just do WB server C. And say I also wanted Postgres, I do WB Postgres C and just run this. And now we just have these two being displayed, so we ignored the other ones. But now let me just go over some options. So of course we can configure this command by supplying options. And one of them is no stream. And what this will do is instead of creating a live stream, it'll just output the first live stream output. So it's just static right here. It's not going to be live updating. We can also list every single container. So by default, this Docker stats command runs or lists just the running containers. But if we tag -a or -all, it'll list every container. And then finally, just one other one is we also have a format flag. So Docker stats, and then we can format the output. So say we just want to see the name of the container and also its memory usage. We can just run it like this. And now the only two fields we have is the container name and the memory usage. And these values, so the values I provided here, can all be found on Docker's website. I'll leave a link for that in the description. But this is all I want to show you. I just thought it was a pretty cool command. Didn't actually know about it, but if you like this kind of content, check out my courses in the description. Also my Chrome extension WittCode. You'll probably find it pretty cool. But besides that, thank you for liking and subscribing. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good one.